So I want to give a little closer up video follow up on these LOY capacitors. It's a 48 volt circuit, actually pretty good. Usually those will be leaking too. You can see leaking there in the center one, focus. Right there on the edge of it. Open on this end one too, right there around the post. And then you can tell the third one here just completely blew out. And this is what does the boards. These are multi-layer. There are 6 layers here. And it actually burns through the layers of the board. Technically, this would be done, but not with me. I'm gonna fix this thing, get you back up and running.